Compound interest can turn $5 a day into over $100,000. The crazy part? Most people still don't use it. Compound interest is the process where your money earns more money, and then that money also starts earning money. It's growth on top of growth, like a snowball rolling down a hill, becoming bigger and bigger without extra effort. The key difference between simple and compound interest is this. With simple interest, you only earn on the amount you originally invested. With compound interest, you earn on your original money and all the interest it has already produced. This tiny difference becomes massive over time. Let me show you how powerful it is. Imagine you invest just $5 a day. That's $150 per month. If that money grows at 10% a year, which is the historical average of the stock market, after 20 years, your total contributions would be around $36,000. But because of compound interest, your balance wouldn't be $36,000. It would be over $100,000. That extra $60,000 wasn't earned by working harder. It came simply from letting your money grow on its own. This is why wealthy people always invest consistently, not because they're smarter, but because they let time do the heavy lifting. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Even small amounts can grow into something huge. A person who invests $100 a month starting at age 20 will often end up with more money than someone who invests $300 a month starting at age 30. Time beats effort, time beats talent, and time beats trying to pick the perfect investment. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You just need consistency. Pick a simple, low-cost index fund. Invest automatically every month, and don't touch the money. Set it, forget it, and let compound interest build your future quietly in the background. Start today, and even with something small, your future self will thank you.